In the world of forestry and land clearing, modern heavy machinery is changing the game. These high-powered giants don't just cut, they crush, grind, haul, and dominate the wildest terrains with unmatched precision. From stump-busting beasts to timber-hauling titans, get ready to witness raw mechanical strength that turns the toughest jobs into smooth operations. Watch the Caterpillar 3005 x 10 squared mini excavator effortlessly pull a stubborn tree stump from the ground. With smooth movement and serious power, it handles the job like a pro, quick, clean, and effective. Next comes the Moorbark HT1684 Predator and Dwen 255 LC solar forestry machines. These monsters grind stumps into biomass with hydraulic power, making a tough job look easy and efficient. With a simple chainsaw attachment, one machine takes down a giant cedar tree in seconds. The engine growls, the blade slices deep, and the trunk crashes in a stunning fall. After testing, the Volvo Flex 14 woodcutter, powered by a 320 HP diesel engine, proves it's made for fast and accurate timber harvesting deep in the forest. Following a storm, skilled chainsaw operators handle huge fallen trees. Cutting through trunks quickly and confidently, clearing disaster zones with skill. The Ecolog 688E, paired with the Warata H415 harvesting head, slices through thick logs with speed and accuracy. It's a sight of pure cutting power. Now, watch the John Deere with its 9L PowerTech Plus engine haul timber through a wet, slippery forest. It pushes through with raw strength, showcasing what true machines are made of. The LKT-81T timber transporter shows stability and control. navigating tough terrain while delivering heavy logs to exact spots with precision. A 176,000-pound splitter paired with a hydraulic loader splits logs with a 24-way wedge. The speed and efficiency are unreal. Wood gets processed in seconds. Next, the Benderberger Gigant 30Z wood splitter, with a winch, splits and moves massive logs with smooth, powerful movements. The Mercedes Unimog drags heavy logs through deep mud, proving its brute force. Even in swampy terrain, it keeps pushing forward. On steep hills, a truck hauls tons of timber while a dozer helps pull it up. It's a team effort of strength, grip, and machine control. The Petzelto wood splitter, weighing 110,000 pounds, splits massive logs with power and speed. Its all-in-one system makes timber processing fast and efficient. An 8-foot-tall cedar tree snaps and falls as a chainsaw slices it cleanly. It's a dramatic moment of power and skill. In icy terrain, a timber truck gets stuck. But with the help of a tracked bulldozer and other machines, it's pulled free and back on its way. Watch the Morbark HT1684 Predator again in action. Its sharp blade chews through a tree stump, reducing it to splinters in seconds. Finally, the Carlton 715 TRX stump grinder faces a 3-foot oak stump. Its grinding wheel shreds through tough wood, echoing through the forest with mechanical power.